Hello class, for week 13 you're going to do a peer revising. So let's take a look at the actual prompt. So you're going to peer review another student or another group's essay, and they're going to submit that, and you're going to submit yours by November 12th. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down here, you'll click reply, you'll copy and paste your essay there. After you copy and paste your essay into here, you're going to look for another student's or group's essay, and then you're going to click reply to them, and you're going to say, this essay is reserved. My group will revise this. That way, when another group looks at that essay, they'll notice, oh, somebody else has reserved that. I have to go choose a different essay to reserve. My group or I have to choose a different group essay to revise. Excuse me. And if you're working in a excuse me, if you're working in a group, you only still revise one essay. So the point here is if a group or someone working alone reserves an essay, you cannot reserve that one. Go to a different one. The point here is every essay should have someone respond to it. That way every essay is being revised. Okay? And when you submit your essay, it has to be completely finished. MLA, everything, because when they revise, they're looking at everything. And so what I would do is I would copy and paste the other person's or other group's essay, put it in a Word document or in a Google Doc, and then you and your group can go through it. So how are you going to revise it? It's the same way we did Romero's isms essay. So let's say I copy and paste it. I'm going to look at the MLA heading first. So what I would do is go right under the MLA heading. If this is the original one, MLA heading. I would write this. Is the MLA listed proper order? Yes or no. Is the data the correct format? Is it day, month, year? Yes or no. And then is the title centered and capitalized? If not, what corrections do they need to make? Then here, introduction of the first paragraph. Copy and paste the introductory paragraph. And then under that introductory paragraph, put this section where the authors and the full names of the articles given. Now we know that this paper is based on the video by Mary J. Blige. That should be in the introductory paragraph. None of the other resources need to be there. She needs to be there because your readers need to know, well, where is this coming from? We know it's coming from Mary J. Blige's No More Drama video. Is that included? Did they set the stage? The thesis. Copy and paste the entire thesis here. You can do that, or since you're going to put the paragraph above it, just state, was the thesis clear? Was the pro? Was the con there? Is it very clear? Is Paul the pro? Is Joyce the con? Is Pelon the pro? Is Joyce the con? These need to be argumentative. So here is the clear the thesis. It's not a compare and contrast. I'm going to change that. This is argumentative. Make sure that it is. All right. Okay. And then here, topic sentence for body paragraph 1. Supporting details, closing sentence. Body paragraphs 2, 3, 4, 5. Do it for each one, okay? Now, guys, I'm okay with if you don't really want to copy and paste the heading, you just want to answer it. If you don't want to put the intro, you don't want to copy and paste. If you don't want to copy and paste the intro, but just answer this, I'm okay with that. Either way, but if you want to copy and paste paragraph 1 and then put this information under it, I'm okay with it. However you want to do it, as long as I can follow it. Now, when you go through these body paragraphs, they should have an opposing and a refuting, at least one paragraph. Now, there are different ways to do this. They may oppose and refute in every paragraph. That's one way of doing it. Or they may have one paragraph only for opposing and refuting. But make sure you look for that because they need to oppose and they need to refute, or it's not an argumentative essay. Okay? And that's all. And then the concluding paragraph, obviously. Did they give us a prediction? Did they restate the thesis? Did they go over the main people? Did they go over the key points? So that's what you're going to do here. All right? So go ahead, take a look at that. Oh, and one thing too, please look at MLA. I still have students missing points on MLA. And since you have to have 8 in-text citations, in the R. If they're wrong, that's -2. That's 16 points you'll lose for not following MLA when MLA is easy. Okay, guys, go ahead, do this, and once you're finished with your review, go back into the discussion board, reply to those people, copy and paste your answer, your revisions there. That way they can use them to make corrections or changes they want to their paper. Okay, and then again, this is due. So your copy has to be there Sunday, November 12th. Once you're in there, reply and save another paper, and then you're going to revise that paper and submit it to them again in the discussion board by Wednesday, November 15th. Please do a good job on this. I'm grading it, but give them tangible, good ideas that they can use to make their paper better. Okay, everybody, take care. Thank you.